The reason that I've come down to this small cafe and ice cream parlour at Hope Cove in South Devon is that in 2005 the model makers from Lilliput Lane decided to base one of their cottages on this very building. To make their model they used a scale or ratio between the model and the real object. The scale of this model is approximately 1 to 100. This means that each centimetre on the model represents 100 centimetres on the real object. So if you look at the height of the model, from floor to roof level, which is 2.5 centimetres, the real object is 100 times bigger, which is 2 metres and 50 centimetres. In the same way, maps also use constant ratio between the map and the real landscape. The earliest known world map was written about by Ptolemy in 150 AD. This copy of the map clearly shows the Mediterranean Sea and Indian Ocean and depicts the known world as it was in Roman times. Early maps of this area are more pictorial than accurate, as can be seen from the map of Devon produced in 1575. The main features are all present, but the relationships between them is a little shaky if it is looked at closely. It wasn't until 1791, where there was a risk of invasion, that the government realised that they needed an accurate map for this country. Today, high-tech measuring equipment is used to create the highest degree of accuracy and detail. On this 1 to 10,000 map, you will see that each house is clearly visible and the main roads are named. When the scale is 1 to 50,000, the details of an individual house has disappeared, but the outline of the building in the village is still visible. By 1 to 500,000, it is the roads that become most dominant. Main A roads are coloured, others are left white. A 1 to 5 million scale shows the interrelationship of main roads of the area. 1 to 50 million shows the whole of the south of the country and the Midlands. By a scale of 1 to 250 million, most of Europe is visible and the boundaries between countries. Lastly, our scale of 1 to a billion shows most of the world. Well, enough about maps and models. This is an ice cream parlour. I'm off to savour its delights. Back to the studio.